Hey guys, calling Lightning Waste Removal. Today we're at a property for our property manager we work with. There was just the 2 box springs, headboard, and then a rug inside, but looks like someone dropped 2 couches as well. So now we gotta raise up the price. There's the rug. We gotta charge a little bit more extra for the couches because that's more dump fees for us. Always charge more when there's more stuff added. Once again, my name is Colin. We service all the South Shore and Cape Cod. Give us a call at 508-816-9714 for all your junk removal and hauling needs. Hey guys, just got it all picked up. Got the rug out of there. Got a decent sized trailer load right here. Give us a call, 508-816-9714.